Hey everybody, in this video we are showing you how to fix the problem where you hear yourself talking on Discord, whether it's on your PC or mobile. So let's just jump straight into it. So we're gonna go to our PC. I'm using our PC for this video. You can even use your mobile device. So go ahead and open up your browser or the Discord application itself. I'm gonna go to discord.com for this. So once you open up discord.com, select this option of open Discord, and you will be headed towards your account. Now, once you are headed over here, you can look out for the option of your settings. So look out for the settings option right here and click on your user settings and open it up. And from here, you can go to the section for voice and video and select it. After you select your voice and video here, what you may do is you can go ahead and look out for this under input device. You can just go ahead and select up your microphone, default microphone that you're using, or if you're using any other microphone, you can select up that from the list of available devices. And under output devices, you just need to choose the option for your headphones and speakers. Headphones or speakers and not your mics. You can just go over and do so and select it, and that is it. And also make sure that your mic is not set as both input and output, because if that happens, that may be the reason you are getting the echo and everything. Also, what we can do is we can right click on a sound here in the taskbar and go over to the option of sound settings. And from here, look out for the microphone. Select your microphone here, this input section, and go to the properties of your microphone. Right click on it. You can double click on it to open up the properties right here, and you can go to the listen tab here. If you find it up, input volume for your sound or your mic speaker or your microphone. And once you find it up, you can just go over and make sure that is to listen to this device, etc., or audio enhancement, and click on apply and click on OK, because this is one of the most common cause of hearing yourself. If you're using speakers, you can also try using headphones instead and lower your mic sensitivity in the Discord itself. And that way you can just go over and fix the issue. And that is it. So now you have fixed the issue of hearing yourself on Discord. So if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.